How to start a successful YouTube channel, 4 essential tips. It takes a lot of time and effort to establish a successful YouTube channel. While you will not become an overnight success, starting correctly will give you the best chance of video success. Building a successful YouTube channel requires a blueprint so that you can stay on track. Here are 4 essential tips to follow when planning a successful YouTube channel. Tip number 1: decide your direction and content. Before you can start to create your blueprint, you need to know who you are, what you like, and how you want to present yourself to your target audience. Defining yourself and creating your brand is critical for creating and maintaining a successful YouTube channel. You need to focus on something that you are knowledgeable or passionate about. If you do what you love, and do it well, you will be able to attract an audience. There is no end to the things that you can do on YouTube, so go out and find your path. Tip number 2: establish a dedication to quality. Content on YouTube that has a higher production quality tends to get more views. However, it is possible to make great content at all levels of production. You just need to find a way to take advantage of your skills and the equipment that you have. You will not be able to shoot an epic fantasy battle scene if you only have an old camcorder from the 90s, but you could use that same equipment to talk about, or review, an epic fantasy battle scene. Make sure that before you start to plan and create content that you take your gear and capability into account first. Tip number 3: build a relationship with your audience. The most important part of having a YouTube channel is creating a good relationship with your audience. It will single-handedly decide your success or failure. Everything that you do needs to be focused on building your target audience. As you develop a relationship with your target audience, you will start to build demographic information that can help you tailor your content so that you can appeal to a broader audience. Tip number 4: have a production schedule you can maintain. The key to starting and maintaining a successful YouTube channel is consistency. Upload strong content regularly is much more important than having infrequent, mind-blowing content. Regular content can help keep your audience's attention on your channel, making it much easier for you to develop a relationship with them. Starting a successful YouTube channel is not hard, but you must keep it focused on helping people and offer them regular new content. Keep these 4 tips in mind as you plan your YouTube strategy, and you will be well on your way to finding video success.